Nike Cortez on my feet. I don't take pics, but I'm feeling stylish. Just cop from Jewel new teeth. Every time I smile, you can see the diamonds. Y'all really don't want no beef. Flip the whole function, get the wildin'. Y'all niggas can't fuck with me. Stay in your lane, you ain't got the mileage. I'm with the gang, I'm with the squad. Always roll deep and we move like the mob. Got our own section, ain't fuck.
Yo, YouTube, it's your boy Gerald, the one, the only one. Back on the video, yes sir. Today, man. Today we got these pickups of these Yeezy 350 MXO. Great school, I want the men's size, luckily, you know what I'm saying. But this shoe, a lot of people really ain't hyped on, I should say. But when I seen the shoe in hand, I'm like, dang, they look even better in hand, in my personal opinion. So it's a lot of stuff that I didn't know about the shoe. I'm gonna get more in depth when I get into the video. But I didn't get my personal size, so I can get y'all on feet. But y'all can see, you know what I'm saying, in hand, how it look, you know what I'm saying, my first impressions, all that good stuff, man. So without further ado, let's go into the video, man. Before I get into the video, make sure you like this video and also subscribe to the channel. Come on, man, let's get to that 2K, man. Come on, let's get to that 2K mark by the end of this year. I think we could get there. Never know. Like I said, one video could get you like 1,000 subscribers. You never know that one video will be like, oh, great, like it's crazy. So like I said, like and subscribe. Make sure you follow me on all Instagram platforms, all my Twitter. Make sure you follow me on TikTok, all my social media platforms down in the description. Go ahead and follow it down below. I would greatly appreciate it, man. So without further ado, now let's get into the video. Let's begin the video, man. I want these Yeezy 350 V2, you know what I'm saying? MXO. Like I said, super fire. I like the colorway of them. You can definitely say I slept on this shoe in my personal opinion, because like I said, 350s be coming out like crazy, but the colorway of this shoe, I'm like, wow. You know, it's kind of a loud shoe, but it's like, if you throw it on with the right outfit, you're like, okay. So, and the colorways, like, it's different. That's all I can say. Kanye West be having different, he very different. That's why I say, every time somebody asks me about how I feel about Kanye West, I'm like, he different. That's all I'll say. He's different. He is, though. He is very different. But without further ado, let's go and get these shoes out, man. Yes, sir. So any Yeezy will come in a brown box like this, and then whatever number Yeezy it is, we'll put it right here. So it's a 350. Usually be a 700. I don't, and then how it slides. Any like saying on the Yeezy, or have it like right here. You know what I'm saying? Got Yeezy Boost 350 made by Adidas. Got a size 9. Boom. Not personal size. I wish I could get our own feet, because this shoe is fire though, for sure. So it says Yeezy Boost 350 V2, size 9, MXO, and the retail price is $220. Doesn't have a retail price on here, but the retail price is $220. And right now, they're not even reselling for a crazy amount of number. Like I said, I had a prediction, like, all right, if y'all check my video on how to cop, go check that out. But I said, like, people gonna resell these for about 300, not even that. You know what I'm saying? Because a lot of 350s be coming out, and a lot of more stores is getting Yeezys now. Because at first it'd be super hard to get your hands on Yeezys, but now it's easier to get your hands on Yeezys. Like JD be getting them, Champs and Foot Locker's now getting more Yeezys now, which is a good thing for people that like for me, if I like a Yeezy, I could get it, or someone else could get a Yeezy. You know what I'm saying? It's a good thing that I got better access to getting Yeezys. So definitely appreciate that for sure, man. But let's go get that shoe out. Comment down below, man. Let me know if y'all want on the Confirm app, y'all want on the Foot Locker app, y'all hit on Champs. Let your boy know down below. Like I said, I hit on Foot Locker, you know what I'm saying, raffle. So let your boy know down below. Hey, here that go, man. 350. Here they go. Adidas Yeezy 350 V2 MXO, man. Here they go. Like I said, the colorway when you get them in hand looks way better. Like I said, it is a loud shoe, so when you look far back, you're like, oh, that shoe loud. But I like the colorway of them for sure. I definitely like the colorway of it. Let's get the other shoe out. Here they go, man. Like I said, Adidas Yeezy MXO right here, 350 V2 joints right here, man. Like I said, super clean colorway. You know what I'm saying? Nothing too crazy on 350 Yeezys, man. Oh, I'm trying to get free shit. That shoe, nothing too crazy on the Yeezy side, but you know what I'm saying, comfortable shoe. My size run, always go a half size up in Yeezys. Always go a half size up. I'm trying to tell y'all, don't get your true size in Yeezys, your feet gonna hurt, or go a whole size up. That's what I'm trying to tell y'all. Always go a half size or a whole size, either one. I usually go a half size, so usually sometimes I go a whole, sometimes I go a half. It just depends how I really feel. But let's go talk about the shoe, man. So of course on your outsole, you can't never gonna say it's the same thing on the outsole. Nothing changed on Adidas outsole. Notice they got that boost right here on that white boost, also on the upper right there as well. And also it says boost right on the back of the heel. Upper. So the upper is very, very different from any other Yeezy. So the MX stands for mix. I did not know that until, you know what I'm saying, I did a little research on it before I got to the video. MX means mix. So that's why you see these mixed colors on here. So the whole upper has had different varieties of colors. So you got hints of blue, hints of orange, and yellow. So in case y'all thinking like that look red, but it's really orange. If y'all look very, very closely, looks orange. And of course you got that translucent line as always. They always had it on any Yeezy for sure. The back of the heel, I love when they got this on the back of the heel, man. I love that detail for sure as well. On the inside, got your Adidas Yeezy right here on the inside. And also got the 3 lines, 3 lines on the back of the heel. And so this material, like I said, the material is different. So y'all see these blue lines in the shoe. It's the same material as the translucent material right here. So when you feel it's that translucent material, orange and yellow, it's like I said, you feel like more of that leather sway a little bit. It's not, I wouldn't say more of a leather, but more like that little sway feel to it a little bit. But when you fit to that blue, it's that same material as that translucent line right here as well. So materials look different on the shoe. So here go close-up video of the material. What I was saying before, like you can tell by that blue and that translucent line, I could easily tell it's the same material on that line and also the same material on the back of the heel. So in case I was like, damn, why the material look very, very different? But like I said, I like this shoe. And it ain't come with any sets of laces, by the way, anything like that. But this shoe, I definitely get like 7. What I say, 7? Get 7. My good 7 out of 10, you know what I'm saying? Like I said, it's not too loud for me, but it's like, do I really need this shoe? In my personal opinion, if I get this shoe, it's damn near gonna sit in my collection. I don't know what to wear with it, in my personal opinion. Like this hoodie, I won't wear it with this hoodie or nothing, but like I said, you can throw something on with this, something on, but it's like what would you wear with this? Like, you really would think, like, what would you wear with this shoe, man? But I know a lot of y'all some Yeezy fans out there, so it's like I said, not a bad shoe to get. It's just a lot of 350s coming out, but a lot of MX, you know what I'm saying, colorways is coming out. And I seen the colorway, it was a black and a gray one. I like that one. I'll get that one, you know what I'm saying. Got a lot of more stuff I could wear with it, but this one I'm like, I really don't know what to wear with it. But colorway super dope, you know what I'm saying. The concept of the MX, you know what I'm saying, super dope. And these laces look different. I didn't know that stuff. They got some different laces on here. Okay then. Yeah, these laces are different. I did not notice that till now. So here go another close-up video of these laces. But if you're familiar with this material or anything like that, let your boy know down below. Yeah, these laces look very, very different. I never seen that on the Yeezy or any type of shoe ever. It's like a protection on a Yeezy or something like that. It's like a protection on the laces or something like that. So something different, something very, very different, man. Definitely, man. But like I said before, I was describing the shoe. Like I said, the material is very different. Like that blue, like I said beforehand, it's that translucent on the side of the shoe, so you can never go wrong with it. You know how usually when shoes come like patterns like this, and y'all think they like different patterns. So when you look very, very closely, it's the same pattern on the shoe. Like literally the same pattern. You know how saying like one shoe would be different patterns. It would be the same color concept and everything. It just, this pattern would be different from this one. But literally it's the same pattern. Y'all can just tell. Y'all look very, very closely. It's the same exact pattern. That's different too. Usually, like I said, they'll try to go make this one different from this one. That's not a bad idea at all, but just try to get it to the exact pattern. That's super, super dope for sure, man. So I'll see you out there, Adidas doing y'all thing for sure. Cause that's crazy, like literally same pattern. Look, y'all think I'm lying? Look, the exact same pattern. That's crazy, bro. Like the exact same pattern from the orange and the yellow and that blue, that translucent. Like I said, the material is different. Y'all can just tell. Look, and I told y'all, man, that material right there is the same on the back of this heel, and also like from right here too. Look very closely. It's the same exact material. The same exact material. Y'all thought I was lying? I'm trying to tell y'all, man. I'm trying to tell y'all for sure. Like I said, let your boy know down below. Y'all liking this shoe, passing, or you like, I try to win, but I didn't win. You know what I'm saying? I know how I go when you come to these sneakers now, bro. It'd be crazy getting shoes and stuff like that. So like I said, I did hit on the Foot Locker app for a size 9 and 6.5, but they is gone in case y'all want to like, oh, let me get that size. It's already gone, so you know what I'm saying? So, but not a bad looking shoe at all. Like I said, I get a 7.5 out of 10. Not a bad rating at all. Like I said, it's just, I don't really have nothing much to wear with this shoe, but I like the concept they going towards now rather than sticking to plain old colors or mixing stuff up. But the MX, I think they got a lot of stuff coming up with Adidas, like the Yeezy brand, I should say, because Like I said, MX stands for mix. Cause like I said, in case y'all didn't know, I didn't know it all. So y'all ain't out there confused like me. But MX means mix, so that's why y'all see these mixed colors on here. But like I said, colorway, the concept was dope. It just, I don't really got too much to wear with it though. So in case y'all get what I'm trying to say, man. But I wish I could get y'all on feel of the joint, but I can't, man. But it's all good, it's all good. At least I get to see them in hand, you know what I'm saying? At least I can see these Jones in hand, man. At least I get to see them for sure, man. Like I said, the colorway is not bad at all. Like I don't got really not much to wear with the shoe at all, man. But comment down below, let your boy know. Y'all caught a win, lost. Like I said, let me know. Also follow your boy on Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, all that good stuff down below in the description. I appreciate y'all showing love and support as always. Like this video, subscribe to the channel as always. Greatness comes with patience, to put your mind to. You definitely can do it. You gotta believe in yourself. I believe you gotta believe in with yourself that you can do it, man. Y'all have a blessed one. Catch y'all in the video, man. Jordan is out. Peace.